Hi guys, my name's Ben Connolly, and together with Ted's, we're really excited to bring to you an album sales and design event. It's quite challenging to actually create a digital album design, whether it's some kind of album design software or in Photoshop. With this event, we can show you how to create an album design that not only sells, but also tells the story for your client and does it in spectacular fashion. I'm going to take you through my particular workflow and show you just how quick and easy it is to actually make a beautiful album design. Not only are we going to share all that amazing information with you, we're also going to drill a bit deeper into how to actually shoot to be able to create album spreads that your couple or your client is going to want to buy. This event is designed for photographers who, again, are working in the industry and really want to dig a little bit deeper into the album design and sales process and work out how that they can generate a little bit more profit for their business and give them a better lifestyle and more choices. Now, we'd love to see you there, so please jump onto the TEDS website. It's teds.com.au, and we look forward to seeing you.